Introducing the Kinisi key, a sit harness manufactured in Wales by DMM and designed in collaboration with Tree Imagineers. The key is available in 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large. Notable features of the key are a webbing rear restraint point or chainsaw lanyard attachment point, frame buckles for adjusting the leg loop webbing, and double frame buckles for adjusting the waist webbing. The double buckle allows the user to position it along the webbing to a place of their choosing. The key is supplied with a single rope bridge. This is the 0-eye knotted bridge, and without an anchor ring. It is also supplied without the leg elastics, and the webbing ends are turned back and are supplied without webbing stoppers. Other features of the key include single-piece forward D hardware, side rings, adjustable floating riser assembly, slots to attach a non-PPE upper assembly, rear elastics, and removable and washable waist padding and leg padding. There are also plenty of options for accessory attachment points. Some examples of components that can be added to the key are a second rope bridge, for example, or hardware on the bridge, leg elastics. The frame buckles may be replaced with Cobra quick release buckles, and the forward Ds could be replaced with a rope bridge adjuster upgrade kit. For more information on the Kinisi key, visit our website at dmmwales.com.